Monroe Quick-Strut. It's the first of its kind. It includes everything you need for strut replacements in a single, fully assembled unit. It's engineered to help you quickly replace your struts with precision and accuracy. Each Quick-Strut offers an application-specific coil spring, mount, and strut feature that is designed for an optimal ride and handling experience. Quick-Struts are engineered right here in Monroe, Michigan to restore your vehicle's ride height, withstand severe elements, and challenging road conditions. Salt spray testing confirms that our unique coating protects the Quick-Strut from rust and corrosion. The premium upper strut mount ensures smooth steering while helping to reduce body sway, vibration, and road harshness before it reaches the vehicle's driver and passengers. Quick to install and built to last. Everything you need for your strut replacement in one fully assembled part.